Did you know that we wrote a book about writing a book? Yeah. 16 authors came together and they shared their stories of how they wrote their books, how they first came with the idea of writing a book, how they sat down and did the hours, how they edited the book, the authors that they worked with that inspired them, the publishers, how they published, and some of them are self-published. Everything about book writing and publishing is in that book, which tells the stories from the author's mouths, or from the author's pen, or from the author's computer, or whatever. Or phone, because you can also write your book on your phone. And I interviewed one of the authors. If you follow this comment, you're going to see that interview, and maybe you're going to get something from it. And you can also go and get the book and read all the stories from the 16 authors. Enjoy yourself, and I hope to see you read your book sometime soon.